Right guys, this is the next little project we're on. I'm building for a lovely client I'm working for at the moment. It's a front garden wall. As you can see, I've already set it out. I've put a little video together of me setting it out. I could have done a whole long video of me setting out all day, but it would have been literally a video of me swearing, scratching my head, wandering around wondering what the fuck I'm doing, because it's a bit of a complicated one. So basically, I've got the heights of a laser level from one end to the other, pulled a line through from one end to the other, set the piers out, set the 9-inch wall out, and set this out, which is a bit of a pain in the arse. Which I'll tell you what I've done that. It's a bit of a cowboy way, but see these posts here, both of these are a bit on the piss anyway. So I've literally got a bit of wood here, and from here to here I think it's about 1 metre both sides. I've done that both sides of that. So to that post, to the pier again, 1 metre, and then we're going to have another pier here. So what I've done is I've marked 120 back to give me a gap for the expansion, the brick and the perp, and I've pulled that in there. So eventually this fence is going to come down, sorry, and there's going to be a pier built there. But yeah, this is how far we've got so far, and I'll put a little video together for you, and I hope you enjoy it. Right, I thought I'd try something different this time by doing a voiceover instead of explaining it as I'm building it. But this basically is me showing you the string lines I've set out for the piers at the front, so they're running all through all in line, and a string line down the side wall for the 9-inch brickwork that we're just about to start. To set out the 9-inch wall to the centre of the pier, I've measured 110mm from the corner of the pier, which should also give you another 110mm on the opposite corner of the pier. So now we've pinned our string line down, 110mm in from the corner of the pier. We're now going to run that line through with the brick on edge from one end to the other. Right, so now it's time to set out the front wall. So this line I'm showing you now, this is the line in all the front 4 piers, which is going to give us our measurement for the 9-inch wall. So what we're going to do, we're going to plumb down off this building line, measure 110mm off our mark, and that will give us our measurement for the 9-inch wall. now I'm sitting out the front corner pier, plumbing down off the building line, which I'm also going to be tying in the front and side wall of the 9-inch brickwork. Right, we're ready to run in now. We've got the line all the way through there, all nice and level up to the top of the engineering brick. Now you can see the engineering brick line is a little bit lower than the engineering brick, but that's because there's a sag in the line because it's such a long pull. So if you look at this, then if you can see that, I'll go that way, look, it says 335. Now that should be 350 according to my laser level, so that sag in the line is just about right. So that is telling me that all the way through one end to the other, that's nice and level. So we get the bricks laid, all up to height, get it all nice and level, and then raw the corners up. While So as I said earlier, because there's such a long pull on the string line, we've got a little bit of a sag in the middle, so I'm having to tingle the building line on top of the brickwork just to get rid of that sag. You don't have to use a 5 pound note like I'm doing, that's just a typical bricklayer. You can use a bit of paper, a bit of card, anything, but yeah. So just to get the sag out of line, just use a bit of paper,